Today I want to show you the new Shark Hoover. It's a DuoClean cordless upright with powered lift away, hand stick, handheld, removable battery, 2 ways of charging, deep clean throughout your home, lightweight cordless, versatile and anti-allergen. You can see in the images here, look, all the details on the box. This is everything all taken out of the box. We have a lithium ion battery. Now this is obviously where all the dust and germs go. So this is the lift away, as you can see. So we've got a cute little tote bag where you can put all your bits and pieces and get rid of the box. Obviously got different suctions for the Hoover. Just going to tell you which pieces are which. These are all the instructions. Gives you all the information that you need and do's and don'ts. Dusting brush, wide upholstery tool, crevice tool, battery charging cradle, and cord, vacuum pod, wand, DuoClean floor nozzle, it's heavy at the bottom, lovely colour, really nice and very soft, and just looks like a really good quality. So this should be the handle and hose. There we go, look. It was really cool. Cleaning handle, cleaning wand, everything's here that it should be. There's a cleaning head, headlights, powerful motor, removable battery, and anti-allergen. So all the pieces, that's the Hoover. Now I'm just going to assemble this for you. And so you attach the wand into here, pretty sturdy. You then attach the handle and hose, with each thing clicking into place. Can you see, look? You then attach the handle and hose to the vacuum pod, which is here, and the attachment is here. This should just attach to the front of the Hoover, and it's pretty sturdy. Can you see, look? Quite impressed with how it's looking so far. The design is very slick and very modern. I like it. Remove the wand, pretty easy, and you can attach things like the crevice tool, brushing tool, and the wide upholstery tool. I also wanted to show you the lithium ion battery. So this can go in here for easy charge directly into plug socket. You put this in here, clicks in. There is also an alternative way of charging, which is shown here. So you can charge it in the cradle via here. So you take this out and you can attach it into here and again into the plug socket. Plus when you finish, you've got your cute little tote bag to put all your accessories into, so they don't go missing and you don't have all the annoying boxes. Check it out. And now going to give it a spin. So we've got the power on button, different suctions for different flooring, so hardwood and carpet, and then you've got boost. So power on. You've got an amazing light. Let's see what boost does. Ah, that's when you need to. Can you see? Just going to see how it fares with a bit of this. Ta-da! That is amazing. I like how all the power's in here, so when you're using things like this, you've got easy access to it. So that means battery low. So all I need to do now is plug it into charge. The charge is here. That's in, plug on, and as you can see, look, it's now charging. Once charged, obviously you can use it. You can clip here, look, pull this away, and that's the vacuum pod. And then you can use it separately to get underneath all those bits that you can't get to. For example, this. And you've got the headlights to find anything that's lurking. Loving the LED headlights. And to empty this pod, you click here. There you go, it lifts out. There is then a button there to press, which you do like this. And this is the Shark DuoClean with powered lift away Hoover. And it's great. See all that dirt, look.